In this video, we will see how to display user-entered data on a page. Let's do this on the client page, created in the previous video. In this process, you can use either the grid or the repeater component. If you choose the grid, you'll have a static layout similar to the data grid of the form. If you want more freedom to customize the layout, it is recommended to use the repeater. It's important to note that both components will use a data source to retrieve the data. So make sure you have already created a data source for the client form, which is responsible for storing the records made on this page. If you have any doubts or difficulties in this process, there is a tutorial available on our channel that explains how to configure it. Start by inserting the grid. Select the data source and click on Add Columns. Enter the column name, width and percentage, and the field that stores the data. After adding all the columns, click Close. Run the page, make a record and view it in the grid. Now let's carry out the same process using the repeater. Add the component and select the data source. Add the labels, name, phone, and email within it, occupying the entire width. Each label will be responsible for displaying specific data, which can be defined in the label's properties under Data Link. Select the column that stores the desired data. To give the repeater the appearance of a card, adjust its presentation to 17%. To finish, execute the page again and make another entry. In summary, both methods yield the same result. However, the repeater allows for the creation of entirely customized layouts. You can even make the cards responsive by changing the repeater's presentation to 100% on mobile devices. To learn more about responsive layouts in Builder, watch the static page video, already available on the channel. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Builder, check out our other tutorials on YouTube. You can also reach out to us through our social media channels. Check the links in the video description.